So when we have more than two people dividing something up, one of the ways we can deal with it is called the LoneDivider method. So we're going to use the LoneDivider method. And what we're going to do first is we're going to have a divider divide the items into n pieces, which we're going to label as S1, S2, all the way up to Sn. And each of the choosers will separately list which pieces they consider to be a fair share. So they're going to make a bid or declaration. They're going to tell how much they think something is worth. And then the lists are examined, and there are two possibilities. If it is possible to give each party a piece they declared, then we're going to do so, and the divider gets the remaining piece. And if two or more parties both want the same pieces and no others, then we give a non-contested piece to the divider. The rest of the pieces are combined, and we repeat the entire procedure with the remaining parties. If there are only two parties left, we can use the divider chooser. Okay, so this sounds very complicated, but we'll do an example. So Maggie, Meredith, Holly, and Zoe are dividing a piece of land using the LoneDivider method. The values of the 4 pieces of land in their eyes for each of the players are shown below. So Maggie values piece 1 at 21%, piece 2 at 27%, and piece 3 at 32%, piece 4 at 20%, and so on. Okay, so let's answer the questions. Now, first of all, who is the divider? The divider is always going to divide things up evenly so that every piece in their eyes has the same value. So we're looking for the person who has all the same percentages all the way across. So let's notice Zoe, 25, 25, 25. Zoe is the divider. All right, now if playing honestly, what will each player's declaration be? Now, to have a fair share, any fair share, if there's 4 people, is going to be 25% or better. So let's take a look and see what a fair share would be for each person. Which pieces would be worth more than 25% for each person. So for Maggie, she doesn't want piece 1. That wouldn't be a fair share, but piece 2 would certainly be okay for her. So would piece 3. It too is over 25%. For Meredith, let's see, piece 1 would work for her. That's over 25%. Piece 2 is over 25%, but the other 2 pieces are not. Holly, looks like only piece 3 will work for Holly. And then Zoe, because Zoe divided all 3 pieces, or rather all 4 pieces, will work for her. All right, so with that in mind, let's find the final division. Okay, now since Holly only has one thing that works for her, we need to give Holly piece 3. So Holly gets piece 3. All right, now that means that Maggie, since we've given away piece 3, has to get piece 2. And of course, now we've given away piece 3 and 2, so Meredith has to get piece 1. And then finally, all that leaves is piece 4 for Zoe, who can get all of them. Zoe gets piece 4. And in all of their eyes, they all have an equal or even a better than equal in their eyes share.